Unlock the power of feedback with SurveyMonkey. Whether you are a business owner, a student, or just someone eager to gather opinions, our beginner-friendly guide will walk you through the simple steps to create effective surveys. Discover how to design engaging questions, analyze responses, and transform insights into action, all in just a few clicks. Ready to harness the voice of your audience? Let's dive in. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you step by step how to use SurveyMonkey. So first of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into surveymonkey.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So what is SurveyMonkey? SurveyMonkey is an online platform that allows users to create, distribute, and analyze surveys. It provides a user-friendly interface for designing questionnaires, collecting responses, and generating reports, ideal for businesses, educators, and researchers. SurveyMonkey helps gather valuable feedback, insights, and data to inform decisions. With various templates and customizable options, it makes survey creation accessible even for beginners. So all I have to do right now is click over free registration and or click over register with his email address. You can use also other options like Apple and Google. So once you do that and you write your email address and your password and then you confirm it by your email address, you will find this page. Let's get to know you. I'm using SurveyMonkey for work, education, or personal. So you choose the one you want. Then you will find this page. What you want to do. First, start from scratch. Begin with a blank page or copy and paste a survey you have written. Then we have used a quick template. Use a template we have picked for you to create and send surveys faster. Then we have build with EA. Type a short prompt. EA will create a tailored survey just for you. Once you choose the one you want, you will find this page. So this is the home page. First of all, we have here create survey. And you click over it, and then you have to add a logo first. You have to upload and images. Also here we have library, you can just upgrade it if you want. Then we have also here at collaborators, preview survey, page logic here, page skip logic, question randomization, page randomization. Then about more action we have copy page, edit page info, require question. So once you choose your logo, then you have to write your page title. For example, here logo we have size and about position also, and you choose the size here, actual size, small, medium, large, and about the position we have left, right. Then you can also switch on description text. Then you have your build, as you can see. About build we have multiple choice. You have check boxes here. We have edit options, logic, copy also. So you just number of choices for pendant select how much at least at most for example this number. Then we have display this error message when this question is not answered. Then we have add custom feedback to question, correct answer, incorrect answer, partially correct answer. You have to change the layout for how choices are displayed, one column, two columns. Then we have horizontal, choose horizontal. Then we have your randomized search or flip choice does not apply to other or name or no one of the above answer choices. You have your randomized choices for each respondent alphabetically sorts. You have all the choices. You have to not flip the last answer. You have your adjust question placement, start question a new row or plus next to previous. Then you have your question width, how many pixels. Then you have your question spacing. For example, you have your 2, 1, then you have 4 here, and you click over enable question text AB, edit question text AB, and you click over save. That's for options. Then you have here logics and copy. Then you have edit here. You write answer your question A. Then you have answer your question B. Then you have here select type. For example, always, better, approve, easy, interested, a great deal, familiar, likely, yes, satisfied, select type also, above average, and that's it. Then if you scroll down, you have add another answer option or comment file. So you can just click over it. Then you have your display answer, display as comments. So then you have the size here, how many lines also, how many characters. Then we have validation here, and we have here when the answer is invalid, display this error message. Then we have also here style, logo, options, question bank, format, you can choose one question at a time, page features also here, we have print also. So using SurveyMonkey as a beginner is a straightforward. You first sign up for a free account on the SurveyMonkey website. Once logged in, click on the Create Survey button. You can either start from scratch or choose a template that fits your needs. Next, use the drag and drop editor to add various question types, such as multiple choice or open-ended questions. Customize your survey and adjusting the theme and adding a title and description. After you have added all your questions, preview your survey to ensure everything looks good. Once satisfied, click on the Collect Responses tab to choose how you want to distribute your survey via email, or link, or social media. Finally, after collecting responses, you can analyze the results using the built-in analytics tools, which provide insights into the data collected. With these steps, you will be able to create and manage surveys effectively. SurveyMonkey is a powerful tool for creating surveys with ease. To maximize your experience, focus on clarity in your questions. Keep your survey concise and target the right audience for your responses. Don't forget to test your survey before sharing it to catch any issues. Finally, regularly review the analytics to gain valuable insights and improve future surveys. Happy survey! So this is how it works with SurveyMonkey. You can just get started right now, and you have to know more information about how it works with products, models. Also, you can just read this information. Also, we have resources, tariffs, enterprise, and you have commercial service here, connection, and how it works with all that. You have also here get better quality insights faster with EA, expertly created templates, and other tools to reach a wider audience. So you have just to get started right now. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.